Hello guys, we are here for demonstration our laser cutting machine. Now I'm gonna cut something like little pieces, but first we have to draw into software. Let's draw something. This software is laser cutting, and it's very easy to use. Now we have to scale this. We want something like 10 centimeter to 5 centimeter is good enough for us. Okay, we have our parts. Now we are going to duplicate this. 5 to 5, and we're gonna have like 25 pieces. Between the pieces is 1 millimeter, as you can see, the rows and the columns. So we go down and to right. Yes. There we go. Let's measure this. How much? It says it's 54. Okay, now we're going to use fly cuts. The tolerance is 1 millimeter, the maximum joint is 2 millimeter. Fly cut means you're gonna cut these pieces more faster than usual. Fly cut is done, and now take a 0 point to here. Okay, now we change the lenses. We're using 1.2 millimeter double nozzle here, as you can see. Every time we change the nozzle and change the material, we have to calibrate it. And this one is 1 millimeter stainless steel. We have to lower the nozzle to make it closer to material, like this. Yeah, you have to be careful. Now we're going to open the calibration page, press F1, then 2, then enter. And now it's calibrating. You can see the nozzle is going down like really slow, really slow. It's touching the material now, and we're done. Yep. And press enter again, and we save the calibration settings. And you can now exit from here. Select the part, because we have a different part from over here. We don't want to cut it, we just want to cut this part. We have to choose this part and choose this option, process selected only. Then the machine will cut the part only you selected. Okay, let's do a frame. We have stainless steel parameters over here. Cut speed, nozzle height, which gas we are using, peak power, and duty cycle, cruise frequency, everything. Okay, let's try it. We have to frame it first to see how much space we'll cut. Okay, that means the machine is going to use the selected space. Let's do it again. Yes, it's over the plate. We're good to go. Let's close the door a little bit. Okay, we're ready. I'm gonna press start now. It's cutting very fast. we have a piece over here. We got these pieces with the 3 kilowatt laser. This machine is running with the 3 kilowatts. And it's actually, we use just half of the power, like 50%. Because this material is very thin and we can cut it out easy and fast. Thank you all for watching us, and we can meet another demonstration. Thank you.